Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Well, I'm still making some blooms on my 4x4 tile. This Glidden Premium and a little bit of my runoff paint from my paintings. Just mixed it together. It's okay. It's good. It all works. Works for me anyway. Okay, I'm going to do another turquoise with the phthalo turquoise bloom. Oh, I wish I remember what order I put that in. Oh dear. Well, I'll wing it this time. Let's see. Well, the green. Oh, am I doing green? Yeah, green. Green's going on the bottom. Artist Loft Leaf Green with Arteza Mint Green mixed together. I'll put the phthalo turquoise down now. And then this is, you know what, I'm going to put the Aquamarine by Deco Art down next. A lot of these are metallic paints. This one is metallic. And this mint green is a pearl, actually. Pearl paint by Arteza. Mint green. Oops. Cell activator. Mini blower. Put it in a different order than my previous one, and it's a little lighter, so that's okay. It's amazing how different they come out when you use different orders, same colors. You never know what you're gonna get. Oh, look. These cells turned silvery, purpley color around them. Oh, they're very pretty. Some of these are from little white bubbles from the underneath paint. I'm just letting this relax a little bit. The middle gets concave when you blow into it, so I like to leave it for a few minutes before I spin it. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. I have lots of videos on my channel, Carole's Art Room, that you can watch, especially the blue. That's my favorite technique to do. Make great coasters. Acrylic pouring is awesome. Okay, let's see. Let's do a spin. Look how pretty that is. Wow. I think the last time I put the darker blue on the top. Same colors, so different. Just gonna put I think this is good. I'm gonna show you my other blue. It'll be in a different video, but I just wanted to show you the same colors. And look at the different results. There's more green showing here. There's more blue. Amazing. So amazing. Okay, I think this is good. I probably could do a different combination, get another totally different one. All right, I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Have a great day, everybody. Hi, everyone. Isn't that pretty? Wow. Dried good, didn't move. That's a pretty coaster. And I do like the white all the way around. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.